So Sigma just had an event and they announced the new Sigma BF camera. It's a little interesting and I've got some thoughts on it, so let's talk about it some more. So first, this camera immediately caught my eye because much like the Leica Q3, Q series of cameras, or the Ricoh GR line of cameras, the BF from Sigma is extremely simple. It's basically got 4 buttons on the back and a shutter button at the top. Small screen, doesn't tilt, doesn't rotate, nothing crazy, very, very thin, very compact. It looks really good. A lot of people are saying if Apple made a camera, this is what it would look like, and I wholeheartedly agree with that. The BF is milled from a single block of aluminum, which looks incredible, but some drawbacks: no grip, no memory card slot, no EVF, none of that stuff, no hot shoes, no mic plugins, just one USB-C plug on the side and 230 gigabytes of internal storage. Now that's pretty much where the quirks end, but it's not all bad. There is some really cool stuff at the heart of the BF, of course, the sensor. The BF's equipped with a 35mm full frame sensor, so you get a ton of depth of field and incredible low light performance on a camera like this. Again, this is why I liken it to something like the Q line of cameras from Leica, because it's got that similar makeup on the sensor end. And it supports 6K recording, an HEVC, and L-Log with up to 120 frames per second, but it doesn't look like there's IBIS, which of course you wouldn't expect in something this compact. So I don't really think it's going to be for video people. I think it's purely a photo still camera, but in a pinch, it can do 6K, which is pretty cool to see. Another nice part about the BF is that it doesn't come with an integrated lens. So it fits any L-mount lens, so you can stack and equip whatever you want on here to get a bunch of different types of shots, which I think is actually a really nice touch. This is definitely less restrictive than, say, a Leica Q series or the Ricoh GR line with those integrated lenses. So this gives you more flexibility to get the shots that you really want out of the BF. Now, I think the BF is super cool. This is probably the sleekest camera design I've ever seen before, and it just looks gorgeous. Now, whether or not it's going to actually perform well and be a great camera for snapping pictures remains to be seen. But one thing is for certain, this is certainly the most compact, capable on-the-go camera you can grab and slip into your pocket. This is way smaller than anything I've ever seen before, even with an integrated lens. So it looks good. It sounds pretty good on paper. It does boast a $19.99 US price tag, so that's gonna be pretty expensive, about 2,600 Canadian dollars if you're looking to get it this side of the border. So all said and done, the BF does have a lot to prove at that price, and with this design, I'm hopeful I'll be able to get my hands on one of these at some point and test it out for you guys here on the channel. And for all my other fellow camera nerds, what do you think about the Sigma BF? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you think it's just a bit too out there? Let's have a conversation as always down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you guys again soon in the next one.